In today's digital age, our children spend more time in front of screens than ever. Research has shown that too much screen time can lead to issues such as behavioral problems, impaired vision, cognitive delays, concentration problems, and sleep disruption. Interactive and educational content can be beneficial in moderation, but passive media consumption should not be tolerated. Encouraging physical activities, reading, and creative play is crucial. Hands-on activities promote better cognitive development and social skills, fostering well-rounded growth. There are educational books and toys that offer diversion activities for our kids, such as busy books, a building blocks table, and magnetic stick balls. Flashcard reader machine.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Learning table. Magic writing and drawing booklet. A board beads counting game. And there's a lot of more diversion toys and activities to choose from. Let's prioritize our children's health and development by avoiding screen time and encouraging more engaging and creative learning activities. Together, we can build a brighter, healthier future for our children. Please like and share.